So, good morning friends. My name is Santosh. In today's lecture, I am going to tell you very nice statement. That is not a statement, that is a problem. That is not a statement, that is a problem. I know every person want to speak in English. So, that's why they are trying to speak in English. But remember one thing, sometimes they are not able to speak English. So what is the problem if they want to speak English but they don't speak in English? So that problem I am going to explain. Means why you are not able to speak in English. That is my problem. Means if I am trying to speak with some people but I am not able to speak English, what is the problem? So definitely if you are watching my video, then after some time later you will be realized what is your problem, how you not speak in English. So remember, if we read that statement is very simple. What is our statement? Why you are not able to speak in English? Why you are not able to speak English if I delete not? Remember, if I delete not, then what is our remain statement? Our remain statement is why you are able to speak in English. Means that is your positive point. That is your capability. Remember. Means this is your strong point. If I delete not, if I enter not in the statement, then this is your weakness. Then this is your weak point. So what is the reason behind that? What is the reason behind that? Why you are not speaking English? Why you are not speaking English? So there are 5 problems. There are 5 problems. Problems means difficulties. If I am trying to do any activity but I didn't do that activity, that means problem. Means drawback, difficulties. These are difficulties I am going to tell you. So, what is our first difficulties? Remember, if in your home some relatives come and they want to drink tea. So, they want to drink tea is the result. But if you want to make a tea, then first of all you follow procedure. What is our procedure? First of all, you take a bowl. In that bowl, you enter some water, some ingredient. Then you start the gas. You put that bowl on the gas, then your tea will be made after few minutes. That is our process. Remember, after some time later, you will be make a tea. Means first of all we find a process, then second of all we find the result. But every person don't have some time. They want to result right now. Means as like if you are going in canteen, I know you are hungry, and waiter want to provide you some special dishes. So your mind think definitely waiter will come nearby me, then ask me, what is your order? What do you want to eat in my hotel, in our hotel? So remember, means what is our first point? Our first point is focus on result, not on process. What is the process and what is the result? What is the process and what is the result? So process said, if I want to make a tea, then first of all I am follow process. Then after some time later I will be show some tea. Remember. Means if today I am watching my video, means today if you are watching my video, Then you want to, after some time later, I will be speaking English. Means if I say you, within 15 days, within 20 days, you will be speaking English. Remember one thing. Means I am going to explain process, but you want to find the result. I want to speak English as soon as possible. Means you have no time. So that's why you have no follow some process. Means remember, focus on result, it's your problem. Don't focus on result, focus on process. What is our process? If you are doing some activity regularly, if you are doing some activity regularly, then after some time later, you will be find the result. That is the problem. That is the problem. Means because of that, some people not able to speak in English. What is the first point? First point said that some people focus on only result, not on the process. So that's why they are not able to speak in English. Don't focus on result. Focus on only process. Focus on only process. Means remember, if I take admission in 12th class and I want to think within some days I will pass 12th class. That is not a result. What is the result? Firstly, process. Means if in a whole year, in a 1 year, when you have to attend whole day college, then exam will be conducted, then you will pass. That is your result. Means as like if I want to make tea, coffee, as like etc. Then first of all, there is some process. What is the process? Process said that you take bowl, in that bowl you enter some water, some ingredient, then definitely after some time later you will be make a tea. Means that is our process, and after some time later our result will be shown. But in the society, no any person have a time. They want to result right now. That is our first point. Then our second point. What is our second point? Our second point is a wrong method. Wrong method. Word is very simple, but in that word there is a big background. There is a big background. As like if I am an English teacher and if you are asking me something about CA, remember, if I am an English teacher and you are asking me something about the CA, I am not able to speak English about CA. I am not able to speak English about CA, but remember, if you are asking me something and I am not say something, if you are asking me something and I am not say something, means my reputation is down. My prestige is decreased. Because of that, I am saying, if you want to become a CA, then first of all, you do hard study. I have no knowledge about CA. I have lots of knowledge about English. But if you are asking me about CA, I say something, means you are asking wrong person. If you want to speak in English, then you ask English teacher, not a science teacher, not a different types of teacher, means not a other person, not a another teacher. I am not blame anyone. Just I am saying one thing. Means if you want to speak in English, so ask proper person, not a wrong person. Means remember, if a person speak very well in English, but they have no idea how to speak in English. They have no idea how to speak English, and you are asking to that person, I want to speak English, what can I do? That is your problem. Definitely next videos I will explain what you will be do. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, then you will speak English. Means what is the syllabus? Which type of content you will be study, then you will speak English very well. Definitely after some time later I will say something about that point. But right now, what is my point? My point is wrong method. Wrong method means I have no knowledge about that field. I have no knowledge about that field, but you are asking me. You are asking me about that, and I am saying lying. I am saying bluff. Remember, that is the wrong method. Means if you want to become a CA, then ask something to CA, not a commerce teacher, not a English teacher, not a science teacher, as like etc. If you want to become a CA, ask something to CA, not a different person. Means if you want to become a good teacher, good English speaker, then you ask something to English teacher, not a other person. That is your mistake. That is your wrong method. And our next point is lack of consistency. Remember, consistency, this is very important point. Consistency means regular thing, regularly. Lack means drawback. Lack means drawback, your weak point. Lack means drawback, your weak point. Remember, if I want to speak English, so I am going to say you one thing. If you are watching my video, then my first video 10 minutes. After 15 days, you will be remember 150 minutes. Remember, I am going to show process, result and consistency. If you are watching my first video, you will be understand 10 minutes. If you are watching my 15 video, you will be understand 150 minutes. Means after 15 days, you will capable for 150 minutes. You will capable for 150 minutes. Means after 15 days, you will speak about English 150 minutes. That is the consistency. That is the consistency. Consistency means if you are do regularly, if you are watching regular my video, then after 15 days you have lots of data. Means within 150 minutes you studied about 1000 statement, not 1, 2, 3 statement. 1000 statement. Within 1000 statement there are 500 statement is our regular statement. It's our regular statement. Means after 15 days, but remember, you listen my video till it become a part of your memory. Means if this is our head top computer, if you save one video in your head top, then definitely that video will beneficial for you. Remember one thing. Means if you watch my video regularly and permanently for 15 days, at the 16 days you will be find the result. So that's why you follow process. Process means consistency. Consistency means if you do study regularly, means practice makes man perfect. I am going to say one proverb, practice makes man perfect. If you do regular practice, then after 15 days, after 1 month, after 6 months, you will be speak English very well. That is the point. Then our next point is lack of self-ability. What is meant by ability? Ability means our power. Ability means capability. Remember one thing. Capability. I know you have lots of capability for speaking English, but you have no self-ability. Means lack. Lack means drawback. Lack means your weak point. Self-ability. If I say someone, please come front of the people and speak more and more, but you are not speaking English because of self-ability. You are worried what people think about me. If you don't think about that point, then you speak English very well. Because of that, you are not able to speak in English because you have no self-confidence. You have no self-efficacy. Self-efficacy means self-confident, self-ability. That is your number 4 point. What? Our 4 point, lack of self-ability. I know you are capable for doing that activity. You have lots of knowledge how to present yourself. You have lots of knowledge how to present yourself front of the peoples. But you are not doing that activity because of you are not able to speak English. But you have lots of knowledge. Means you are worried what people think about me. Don't worry about that. Whatever you want to do, you do efficiently. Whatever you want to do, you must do efficiently. Means increase your courage, increase your ability, increase your power for speaking English. And our last point is expecting about magic. Magic. What magic? If I turn magic candy, then I will speak English. Expecting about magic. Remember, expecting about magic means our magic will not happen if you want to speak in English. Means God gives me lots of power and within some day I will speak English. That thing will not happen. Remember, if you want to do something for speaking English, then don't think about magic. Magic will not happen for speaking English. Means some people's expecting, definitely I am watching your video, within some days I will speak in English. Magic is not happen. Your consistency is matterable. If you follow process and if you do consistency and if you use correct method and if you increase your ability, then definitely you will speak English. But don't think about magic. Means why you are not able to speak in English? 5 problems. What is the first problem? Focus on result, not on the process. Means result is a tea and process, you know about the process of tea. Means how to make a tea. Then second point, wrong method. If some people know knowledge how to speak English, don't ask to them. Don't ask to them. If you ask something to that person have no knowledge, then you are not correct way. Means you use wrong method. Then lack of consistency. Practice makes man perfect. So that's why you follow my thing. My thing said that if you one day you have to remember 10 minutes. At the end of 15 days, you will be remember 150 minutes. 150 minutes means 1000 statement. In the 1000 statement, there are 400 and 500 regular statement. Means you are speaking English 60%, 70% definitely. Then our next point, lack of self-ability. Means increase your courage, increase your ability. And last point, don't expecting about magic. Magic will not happen. Hard work is must. I hope you understand all the points. If you are like my video, press the like button and subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.